Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where luxury, architecture, and imagination unite to inspire your next dream home. Today we're taking you on a breathtaking tour of an ultra-luxury modern estate priced at $14,995,000, located at 10804 E Canyon Crossway, Scottsdale, Arizona, inside the prestigious Silverleaf Country Club. This 2021-built modern masterpiece sits on 3.7 acres of private land, perched high in the Upper Canyon, surrounded by mountain vistas, glowing city lights, and serene desert beauty. As the gates open, the property greets you with a stunning private driveway and a sleek, stone-lined motor court that sets the tone for what's ahead. The exterior design by Summer Custom Homes perfectly blends desert architecture with modern minimalism: wide glass walls, clean horizontal lines, and a bold yet peaceful facade that mirrors the Arizona sky. Step inside this architectural wonder, and the story unfolds. The grand entrance welcomes you with towering ceilings, soft natural light, and a sense of calm that fills the open living area. Every corner feels crafted with intention: seamless indoor-outdoor flow, floor-to-ceiling glass, marble floors, custom lighting, and a color palette that whispers modern sophistication. The living space opens up to panoramic mountain views, blending perfectly with the desert horizon. In the evenings, soft amber light from the sunset paints the interior in gold, while the fireplace adds a warm, intimate glow. The American Dream Mansion's lens captures the essence of peace, luxury, and design perfection. Next, the heart of this mansion, the kitchen. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a work of art. A massive marble island commands attention, surrounded by sleek custom cabinetry and professional-grade appliances. Subtle gold fixtures add elegance, while pendant lighting illuminates the entire room like jewelry. Nearby, the dining area features a 10-seat marble table under a designer chandelier, with glass doors that open to a desert view terrace. Imagine hosting a dinner as the Arizona sun sets behind the mountains, pure cinematic magic. Moving through the house, you enter the family lounge and TV room. Plush furniture, warm lighting, and floor-to-ceiling windows create a relaxed yet luxurious environment. It's where modern architecture meets human comfort. This home includes 5 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, each designed to be a private retreat. The master suite is breathtaking, minimalist yet warm, offering unobstructed mountain and city views. The spa-inspired bathroom features a freestanding tub beside a full glass window, double vanities, and exquisite marble finishes. Every bathroom carries its own tone of calmness and precision. Entertainment is at the core of this property. There's a full game room, a state-of-the-art theater with a candy bar, and an exercise studio overlooking the valley through glass walls. Every room combines comfort and creativity, the signature of true luxury living. For guests, the detached casita provides complete privacy with its own kitchenette, bath, and walk-in closet. Outside, the home opens to a breathtaking infinity-edge pool, multiple fire features, and terraces designed for golden sunsets. As the camera pans across the landscape, you see the desert melt into the horizon. It's peaceful, powerful, and endlessly elegant. When the night arrives, the view transforms. Drone footage reveals glowing amber lights reflecting off the pool, the silhouette of the McDowell Mountains in the background, and the home shining like a gem in the heart of the desert. This 8,500 square foot residence represents the pinnacle of design, built by Summer Custom Homes, one of Silverleaf's most respected builders, and presented by Steve Summer of Silverleaf Realty, a trusted name in Arizona luxury real estate. With over 30 years of expertise as a builder and realtor, Steve combines construction knowledge, architectural insight, and sales mastery to deliver unmatched excellence. Luxury is not just about the materials, it's about emotion, craftsmanship, and vision. And this home embodies all three. From the moment you arrive to the last step on the terrace, you feel connected to nature, architecture, and an extraordinary lifestyle that only American Dream Mansions can capture. Thank you for watching this exclusive showcase on American Dream Mansions, where we bring you the most iconic luxury homes across America. Subscribe now, hit the bell icon, and experience more homes that define elegance, imagination, and perfection. Sparkles American Dream Mansions, inspiring your dream home. Sparkles.